Hello everybody, welcome back to RPL Youth Service YouTube channel on Instagram TV. I hope you have a good weekend and have a relaxing weekend. So today we're coming back at you with a new project. It's really easy project you can make at home and you can make as many as you like. Today we're making homemade lip balm. We made this in-house few months ago, so today I thought we're going to bring it back, and then you can use it in the summertime as well as you can keep it for winter time. So what you need is coconut oil. This one is already melted. If you don't have coconut oil, vegetable oil probably works, but it needs to be like olive oil or some kind of organic olive oil. And then we need this yellow beeswax. This one is 100% natural. So, but if you cannot find 100% natural, that's also fine. And then we need shea butter. And then my choice of essential oil is peppermint. But if you don't like peppermint, you can use orange that we used on previous week. Or you can use watermelon, whatever you like. A tablespoon. And I would suggest using a Pyrex glass to melt it in the microwave, not the plastic one. And then some kind of empty container like this to put the lip balm. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I put 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into the Pyrex glass here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add shea butter, same amount, 2 tablespoons. So this recipe is everything is the same. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of shea butter, and then 2 tablespoons of this beeswax. So okay, and then you melt it all together. So I put 2 tablespoons of coconut oil on the Pyrex glass, and then next what you're going to do, you're going to put the shea butter with the tablespoons also. If it's hard, you can scrape it like so, because it's getting solid. So, and then you scrape another shea butter. This one is also organic, but if you don't mind to use non-organic one, you may do so as well. Okay, and then I scrape it another scoop into the Pyrex glass like so. Okay, the next step is we're done with the shea butter. We're going to add this yellow beeswax and put 1 scoop into it, and then you get another scoop like so. So you should have something like this, and then you mix it up all together and then microwave it in microwave for 30 seconds or a minute, and then you look at it until it melted, and after that you may add the peppermint. But before that, do not add peppermint before everything got melted yet. All right, again. Okay, so be careful, it's hot. And then after that, this is the perfect time to add the peppermint. I just put 4 to 5 drops, I think. It depends like how strong you want to be your lip balm. So, and then you mix it a little bit like so. It smells so strong. I don't know if you like peppermint, but I kind of do for my lip balm, but not for everything else's. Okay, so this is the moment. Okay, it's kind of still hot, so I'm going to grab paper towel just to hold it, and then I'm going to pour it, just be careful, to my container. Okay, so it should be almost full, or not yet. To pour a little bit more. Alright, so it should be full enough like so. And then I still have leftover like that. If you have multiple container, and you can make more than one. Okay everybody, so I don't have to wait long. I probably have to wait about half an hour to an hour to get it solidified. It looks really smooth and then smells really good because it is peppermint. You can use it for your new lips or on your cracked nails or on your hands too, to make it smoother. And it's also healthy too because everything is organic and homemade. I hope you give it a try. If you did try it, please let us know in the comment below what did you substitute or what do you most enjoy about it. Okay, until the next project, I hope you have a good weekend, and then I'll see you next time. Bye.